Good morning, everyone. Today, we'll read the NSTP Operation Manual. Goal of the NSTP: the transformation of the youth and the responsible citizen who embody of the value of the being God, fearing to patriotic of humans and environmentally conscious of fostering both local and national development. Vision: the alignment of the SLSU commitment to excellent innovation to societal transformation in STP office should be a leading center for civic consequences and defense for preparedness, promoting service patriotism and community mission. The election in STP office shall be developed well-rounded, social, responsible, and patriotic individual through comprehensive training program and that enchant to civic consequences, defense, preparedness, and active participant in community service and public affairs. The resolution initiative is the community to promoting physical, moral, spiritual, and intellectual and social well-being of the student while instilling the value of the patriotism, nationalism, and general objectives. Number one, cultivate a deep sense of civic consequences and patriotism among students. Number two, ensure students to engage in community service and development project. Number three, prepare students for national defense and emergency preparedness. Number four, develop a well-trained, organized, and motivated flow of individual. Number five, equip a student with skill and knowledge for lifelong learning, critical critical thinking, and activity. Specific objectives for civic welfare training and service of CBTC. Number one, engage the student to project to enhance the community welfare, focusing on health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, recreation, and social service. Number two, apply the academic knowledge to real world and community challenge, fostering practical skill and civic responsibility. Number three, build a partnership with local program outcome. The graduate of the program shall. Number one, exhibit a strong sense of the civic duty of activity participant in community initiative and display of the deep communication traditional pride